What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Prophet. Welcome back to the process. And it's another cold day here in Michigan. I can't stand it, man. We got more snow. The sun is out, but it's still cold, man. I hate it. I'm starting to hate living in Michigan. But anyway, we gonna go ahead and start my new girl up. Do a cold start, get her warmed up. I'm gonna do a little walk around. We're gonna talk a little bit. Kind of show y'all where I plan on starting with this build. And I ain't forget, I still got to get my front bumper fixed on this, on my daily driver, my Impala. So I've been a little busy, man. I ain't really had no time to go order that front bumper, but it's coming. So stay locked in. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel right now. I'm gonna have a how to repair your bumper video coming soon. Yeah, see, I've been doing my research, checking out everybody else El Caminos, trying to give me a little foundation in my plan laid. But I'm also researching doing this transplant. So my plans is to pull this out. It's a 350. It's kind of, I don't want to say kitted up, but it's kind of had a little bit of upgrades done to it, but that's not going to be enough for me. So that's going to come out. I might go 383 stroker or LS swap. I'm not sure. I'm doing my research. So eventually I'm going to get this figured out and get that ball rolling. So in the meantime, we're going to just walk around. I'm going to show y'all where I plan on starting with this build. Most likely I'm going to start from the ground up, get the frame together, get all the rust off, get it undercoated pretty good, and get that frame reinforced. And I'm going to show y'all what I mean by reinforced, because there's a few rust spots I've seen down there. And I want to make sure it's going to be strong and sturdy. When I change this motor out, put these big wheels on here, gotta have a good solid frame for that, because that boy will twist up on you. So you don't want that. So let me go ahead and crank her up and we go from there. Okay, so as y'all can see, she run pretty good. I ain't got no complaints with that. Pretty smooth. I really ain't had a good chance to drive it yet, see what kind of power it make. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just pull it out and go get some gas in it, because my gas gauge don't work, so I don't know what level it's on right now. So I'm gonna put my license plate on, because we're official now. I got everything registered, turned over in my name. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the plate on and bring it on out. Go for a little short ride and test this motor out. But before then, let me go ahead and cut it off. This boy loud, man. That dual exhaust ain't no joke. But until then, I'm gonna give y'all a little view of the undercarriage. And I ain't got no room in here, man. This car is way bigger than my Camaro was, so there's no way I can do any kind of work in here with this car. No sir. But let me go down here and get on this ground. Show y'all a little preview. Okay, so this is the undercarriage. As y'all can see, it's pretty solid. I got no real complaints down here. See that? It's just right behind the floor pan, right behind the seat. So this would be the rear of the passenger side. Like the rust is kind of starting to eat through. And on the driver's side over there, you can kind of see it. So I will have to have the rear floor pans replaced. And I already did my research. They sell the replacements for like 60 bucks each. So I'm gonna go ahead and order those. And then have this whole section cut out on both sides and replaced. I might even do it myself, man. I don't know. See if I can find some help. If I can get some help, I'll just go ahead and pay somebody to do it. But if I can't, I'm gonna go ahead and get me a welder. I'm gonna learn how to weld too, man. So it's gonna be some welding being done in the process. But this is my main concern. The actual frame. And it's solid. All the way through, it looked pretty good. It's just this one spot right here on both sides. And this is like right where the tow hooks is, which is kind of normal. Like they usually kind of get snatched out or tore up a little bit. Just a little bit of rust starting to kind of budge out a little bit. So I would want to have that reinforced some type of way. It's probably no big deal. I'm gonna take it to a welding shop and just let them look at it. Probably get a I don't know, some kind of plate put across here just to reinforce it. But other than that, man, this looks pretty solid for a 1978 car. I don't think this car was, it might have been born in Michigan, but it wasn't raised in Michigan. Not looking this clean up under here. All right, so it's pretty decent tires too, man. I like that with the rallies. Good old classic look. So let me go ahead and pull this boy out, put my plate on. We're gonna go for a short ride. So come on, let's get to it. All right, it's official, my baby. Got my plate on. I lost one of my screw holders though. It fell over inside this lid, this trunk hatch. So I don't see a way to get in here and get it back out. I'm about to go find me a new screw holder, but should be all right for a quick ride to the gas station. A little rattle, but it'll be all right. This is my first time doing this, man. I never knew how these doors opened up. It's kind of sweet. A little car / pickup truck. Look at that, man. So as y'all can tell, this car used to be black, or it is black. But somebody already got to jump on the bodywork. But this boy is pretty solid. Look at the body lines. All the way down. I like these cars, man. The way that rear window look, that's a unique design. And it's actually pretty roomy inside of here. Like, no joke. I can't believe it still. Now look at all that room. And then I just recently learned from watching somebody getting some audio put inside theirs. Look at all that space down here. Like, it goes under the bed some. Got a spare tire back there. That's cool, man. I got plans for that. And I'm finna bang this boy out. But look at my interior. To be honest with you, I don't think I'm gonna really do anything to this, but get it cleaned up. I thought about going with some bucket seats, but man, this leather look too good to even take it out and be worried about that right now. So depending on how I feel when I get to driving in this car, I think I'm gonna leave it like it is for a while. But yeah, man. So let me close this hood up. Let's go ahead and go for our first drive in the Elco. Man, kind of snug up in here a little bit, but I have to get used to that. We'll be all right. Start right up. Roll this window up. It's cold. I don't think my blower motor works though for the heat. I gotta look into see what's going on with that. Radio power's up, but ain't no speakers hooked up. But it's cool. See, my gas gauge don't work. You know that ain't right. I hope my speedometer works, but even if it don't, I'm gonna end up going with a new gauge setup anyway, probably an auto meter. I don't like this thing, this weird flow shifter. I don't like it. But we out here, baby. First ride in the Elko. Let's get it. See what she hitting on. Don't ride too bad. Got a little bit of power to it. Man, them shocks sound terrible on this boy though. Definitely gotta upgrade those. She rides smooth though. I hate the snow. I can't even open it up the way I want to because I know I'm just gonna slide around in the snow. Well, my speedometer don't work. My signals don't work. I hope my brake lights work. I ain't even checking before I pull it out, but I got some wiring to get into, I guess. Let's see how this goes. I want y'all to hear this motor, man. This boy don't sound half bad. See if I can do a little good pull out. Sliding around the snow. About to give me some gas station footage. Yeah, man, I can't lie. Ain't play around with this shifter. This thing is weird. Alright. I can't lie, man. Don't run half bad. Transmission shifting pretty good on every gear. She ugly, but she ride good. Glad I made it up here. I don't know how much gas is in this dang on car right now. Alright. Let me cut it off and get some gas over here, ain't it? Alright, so mission accomplished. Went for a little short ride. Finna get this girl back home. I cleaned the bed out a little bit. And to me, I think it's already been rhino coated, man, or something. I don't know. It was just ashy. So I'll probably have to respray this or get this redone. And for whatever reason, I guess the previous owner decided to try to bondo a rust spot in the bed. I don't know why he did that, but I'm about to go behind him, of course. But anyway, let's go ahead and get back to the house. It's cold. And I ain't got no heat, no nothing. But she start right up though. Y'all hear that? This flow shifter, weird. everybody see a camera, they want to look and see what's going on. I'm recording. That's what's going on. So it's so cold in here, my camera don't want to focus. I'm trying to get one good pill out when I pull out this parking lot. See what I can do. Yeah. No, where the power go? 350 for you, man. 383 coming soon, baby. I ain't tripping. Man, shock sound terrible back there. Alright, so I made it back. Good safe ride. Learned a little bit about the new car. I ain't got no turn signals and probably ain't got no brake lights either. So I gotta find out what's going on with that when I get a chance. And I heard a little rattle going on. Yeah, that's what it is. I knew it was something loose. Tailpipe ain't mounted up good back there. That's cool though. Oh, if y'all can see this is the other side of the frame I was talking about. That needs some reinforcement done. Still nothing major. Come with the game, you gotta order a car like this. So, like I was saying, it's just gonna be a little short walk around. We got some gas in the girl. Giving y'all a visual. I'm finna start from the ground up with this build. So, when I get me some more space, I can't do it in here, so I gotta find somewhere else to work at. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. But for now, this is my 1978 El Camino. You see? Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel right now. Stay locked in for this build. It's gonna be a long process, but I'm finna get it done. Alright, like I always say, make sure y'all like this video. Leave me a comment. Share it. All that YouTube stuff y'all already know. Let's get to it, baby.